With all the products in the market, the process of finding the best products can be tedious and overwhelming. To help you choose one, we'll be reviewing and exploring one of the best leaf blower, from the features, specifications, and benefits. The SKIL BL4713-10 brushless leaf blower provides excellent performance and value. What is especially good about this leaf blower is that it has digital brushless motor and PWR CORE 40 lithium battery technology, keeping this leaf blower running longer. Delivers efficient, high-performance power and extended tool life, without the hassle of a gas-powered leaf blower. On top of that, its turbine fan design maximizes performance for up to 500 CFM of clearing power. It also has variable speed with power boost. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's what stands out features can be found on this model. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.